Aquaba, welcome to Dan channel. I want to start off first by thanking those of you who have subscribed up to this point. My channel was launched, went public on Sunday the 3rd of April. So you know Diana's channel is in the teething stages. It's baby steps, baby steps. But for me, 290 subscribers at this point, I'm encouraged, I'm thankful, and I just wanted to share that with you. Also, many of you are very savvy with YouTube, may have been on the YouTube channel for much longer than I have, and I'm talking now to my subscribers. You know, any vehicle that you have, without fuel and an engine in peak performance, you're going nowhere fast. And it is my intention, as I do YouTube part-time with a full-time mindset, is to share very far and wide on the global map. So I ask you, subscribers, one cocoa full basket, I'm asking you to help me, because I need you. You are the fuel and the engine. So I would appreciate if you could continue to like, share, but most important, subscribe and get others to subscribe so we can take this channel, which is the vehicle, along with you, far and wide on the global map. So again, thank you for those who have subscribed. We have many viewers. Let's see if we can convert some of those viewers to subscribers. You notice the attire. What exactly is going on? I've been invited to the King's Palace, Akopong, his residence. For what? To a grand Durbar. What is a grand Durbar? For those of you who don't know, like myself, that is exactly what I ask. What I've learned thus far, it is cemented in tradition, and it is colorful. But what we have going on today, that for me, it's very fascinating. And with anticipation, this grand Durbar at the King's residence is to welcome and honor a Jamaican government official. For those of you who don't know, I know quite a bit now, I know quite a bit of you know what's going on. But for those of you who don't know, I'll just say this. Back to their roots, and portfolio has something to do with trade. I guess I'm giving away the full Monty. But Jamaicans, Jamaica and Ghana, we are one. And the location is Akopong. And I just learned that most of our Jamaicans are nestled in Akopong. So Jamaicans, I want you to step out and up. I would love to see you at the Grand Durbar in a couple of hours. And so, stay tuned. I will be reporting and uploading a couple vlogs on this event. Again, first time I am going. Let me see what this occasion, cemented in tradition, that takes place across Africa, Ghana, is all about. Until then, stay tuned. God bless.